Good evening, friends. Friends, today we'll make a pizza in the pan. So for that purpose, I have a ready-made bread for the pizza. I will apply the sauce over it. Like this. Then I have cheese. I'll fill it with the cheese. So I have spread all cheese available with me. Now the next step, I will take this barbecue. This. Then I have some olives, black olives. Better use my hands. Like this. So you can see I have placed the pizza over the pan with a small stand down there. So we will let it cook on slow heat for at least 10 to 15 minutes. So I will cover it with the lid and we will keep it for 10 to 15 minutes until the cheese melts properly. So you can see the cheese is melted completely and our pizza is ready. Now I will take it in the other pan. So friends, you can see our pizza is ready. The bread is not perfectly round, but it's okay. So enjoy.